Hello everybody! Today we're going to unbox and take a close-up look at the Nike Air Force 1 SP. So let's first take a look around the outside of the box. So in this box is a pair of Nike Air Force 1 SP shoes, and this pair is the men's UK size 8.5, US 9.5, Europe 43, Brazil 41, 27.5 cm, and it's also in a women's US size 11, and this pair is in a black Game Royal black colourway. And now let's go ahead and open up the box by flipping up the box lid to reveal the contents inside. And of course let's lift up the packing or wrapping paper to reveal the Nike Air Force 1 SP or Special Project. And let's lift out the shoes from the box packaging. And closing the box back up and setting it to the left hand side of the tabletop, and just giving you a look at the pair side by side, and now just setting the right shoe in the background as we focus in on the left shoe first. So giving you a look at the Nike Air Force 1 SP in the black Game Royal black colorway. And let's do a 360 rotation so you have that clear and full look of the shoe before we take much closer in looks at its details. So now taking a much closer in look at the shoe's details, so you can see quite obviously there are perforations right throughout the entire shoe, or at least the upper of the shoe, which is made out of leather. And giving you a look at that texturing and perforations on the overlays in the toe box as well as the mudguard panels. So you can see right there the holes or perforations in the shoe's upper design. And just to give you a much closer in look if we can without getting the shadow of the camcorder in the way. There we can see those details, and of course with the eye stays they are not perforated, so we get that distressed leather look minus the perforations, in contrast to the other panels making up the upper. So as we move towards the quarter panel or midfoot area of the shoe, we see a Nike swoosh serving as the uppermost layer, and similar to the eye stay panels, it's not perforated like the rest of the shoe is. So giving you that look right there at this very blacked out Nike Air Force 1 SP. And of course we see the Air branding indicating the Nike Air unit cushioning in the sole of the shoe. And taking a look at the shoe directly from the back, we can see the Nike Air embroidered details on the tumbled or distressed leather. You can see on the heel tab panel. And once again, perforations along the spine at the back. And looking at the inner side of the shoe, so once again, perforations right throughout the upper leather of the shoe. And it does have that matte sheen to the overall panel design of the perforated leather, as well as the tumbled leather for the eye stays and Nike swoosh as well. Okay, and now taking a look at the shoe from the tip or toe or front of the shoe, and moving slowly towards the length of the shoe to the back. And you can see that towards the front there is an AF1 Dubray in what appears to be a abrasion or abrasive blasted finish. Let's try and get focus on that detail there with the Dubray. So a little bit shiny right there, causing the camcorder to hunt for focus. So right there we can see just about the details of that AF1 stamped Dubray in abrasive blasted finish. Okay, so now taking a look at the tongue. So the tongue does have a very simple and blacked out Nike Air Force 1 design as well. So we can see this shoe is very stealthy in this kind of monotone blacked out finish. And taking a look behind the tongue, even the details on the back of the tongue labels stitching is in black and very hard to see. And now taking a look around the ankle and heel collar and the inside of this Nike Air Force 1 SP. So just feeling around the ankle and heel collar padding. So it does have a medium level and very even padding right throughout, and it does feel somewhat plush as well, and with the tongue padding very light and thin, so I guess that provides that added breathability as well, in addition to the perforations on the upper of this shoe. So now taking a look on the inside, let's pull out the paper stuffing so we can see a little bit more clearly the inside of the shoe, and we can see the Game Royal coloured sock liner insole or blue, and of course the composition sticker or materials label, and the inner labels as well. So giving you a look right throughout the inside and the lining and sock liner or insole of this Nike Air Force 1 special project. Okay, so that's the inside of the shoe. Now taking a look at the bottom or sole of the shoe. So you can see blacked out as well with this black rubber sole, and giving you a close-up look at its details. And of course very typical in the Air Force 1 design, and of course with that Nike swoosh around the midfoot or arch area of the shoe or sole. And to give you some sense of this black rubber sole, just dragging my finger along its surface and tapping my fingernail along it as well. And now let's do a flexibility bend and twist test with my hands to give you some sense of the shoe's firmness, stiffness or pliability. And I was just popping the shoe back in shape. And now giving you a look at the right shoe. So sitting the left shoe down in the background so we can focus in on this right shoe of the Nike Air Force 1 SP. And let's do a 360 rotation with this side as well, so you have that quick and full look of the shoe. And of course close-up details as well. So once again, that blacked out perforated leather upper with that abrasive blasted debris with the AF1 stamping, as well as the tumbled leather sans the perforations for the eye stay, as well as the Nike swoosh. And with the back as well, once again we see the black Nike Air embroidered details for the heel tab, the Air branding or indication of the Nike Air unit in the heel, and of course laces in black, tongue in black, tongue label in black, and popping out the paper stuffing out of the shoe, and of course blacked out for the lining as well. And we see that Game Royale or blue insole with the contrasted Nike Air branding in black. So all very plush with the bolstering around the ankle and heel collar. And that overall look to the shoe, and its sole in black as well, almost anthracite looking for the sole with that slightly paler shade or tone of black. Now let's take a look at the pair together side by side. And from the front to the back. Directly from the back. And the soles or bottoms of the shoes. So that's Nike Air Force 1 SP. Thanks for watching and happy walking!